A very good day, real estate investors. I'm very happy that I have you back on our app page, app.revolution.io. Again, our great CRM that it's able not only to fulfill your needs, but to exceed your needs. And we're going to go from here to our operation side in Podio. So we are on the operation workspace. And from here, you're going to be able to see again the same apps we have spoken already about: sales, the seller leads, the appointments, and now we're going to go on the closings. So let's go on closings. On the left side of the closings app, you will have some nice views, which will give you more information in regards to your team's activity. So we have all the closings here in the system: the pending purchase, the inspections, the escrows, the month purchased, the canceled purchase, and many other nice views. And on the right side, we have, of course, the closings. This is connected with the seller's app, of course, and I'm going to show that a bit later. We already have the property information from the seller leads from the seller's app in the system. Here you are able to add the automatic the tasks with the next step that needs to be followed in order to sell later your property. We have the purchase details, because the main aspect of this app gives you the financial details of your purchase. So the purchase details right here, we have the acquisition rep, the purchase status, which is closed in this case, purchase type, equity, probate, short sale, the purchase summary, the date closed, the escrow status. Then we have the inspection area. You are able to schedule a date of inspection, inspection type, internal or external, inspection agent, the sale details with the disposition rep, and the sale status here. We have it closed in this case. Sell type comes from a listing. Disposition status, new sale. Another great feature of this app is that it gives you the chance of sending text blasts to your leads, your buyer leads. So you are able to add, after the closing was done, you are able to add a text here, and you can send it to different leads that you have created in the buyer's app. More information: original selling price, current selling price, and of course it gets connected with the KPIs from your dashboard. So we have the transaction KPIs here, number of days to sell, the percentage of sale price to list price, the commissions, the campaign that brought that lead in the system for you, the channel type. So all these, again, they are interconnected in order for you to have a better understanding and a better view of your business, and to know at all times where you are sitting, where you are staying, what needs to be done, what you need to improve in order to have a great activity. This being said, make sure you check us on revolution.io. If you need more help or more information, you can send us also an email at hello@revolution.io. Check us on Facebook, on Instagram, and again, we're going to be here for you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.